Hi everyone, today's tutorial I'm going to teach you how to do the Bantu knots. This Bantu knots is a very easy style. Anybody can do it. You can even do it on yourself at home. You just separate the hair into two and put your extension in between. Once you put your extension in between, you begin to wind it. You can see how I'm doing it as if you're twisting. You keep doing it and turning, keep doing it and turning until it gets to the last. You fix it into the hair. That's directly under. Don't make it stay on top. Under. And you continue like that, guys. That's just the easy way of making the Bantu knot. In case you don't understand anything, you can ask me a question in the comment section. I'm always available to answer you guys. Thank you. God bless you as you watch.